Picture this. The music's blasting, people are shouting, papers are flying. It's total chaos. That's what today's word describes. Frenzied.
Frenzied.
Meaning wild, uncontrolled, or full of frantic activity. Frenzied is an adjective, which means it describes a noun. You use it when something is way beyond busy, when it's loud, intense, and a little out of control.
To ensure that this frenzied dance of destruction is never repeated,
supposedly possessed by evil, was taken from his home by a frenzied mob and thrown over this waterfall.
What remains of the chest and torso indicates a frenzied attack.
Example, the frenzied crowd cheered for the singer. They weren't just happy, they were wildly excited. Here's another example. After the announcement, the office turned into a frenzied mess. Everything was happening at once in a chaotic way. So, when busy just isn't strong enough, call it frenzied. Join me tomorrow for another powerful word to add to your vocabulary. And hey, if you like learning English in a fun and frenzied way, you know where the subscribe button is. Right here on Online English TV.